show you how you can do it. Welcome to Fab Girls World.
Hi Veda.
Hi Mommy.
How are you?
Good.
Good. What you are going to do today? Which activity you are going to do?
I'm doing pebbles painting.
Wow. And can you show me how you are going to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. And which animals you are going to do it?
Unicorn and snake.
Wow. So you are doing only snake and unicorn?
No. My favorite dinosaur T-Rex and a cute little panda and a caterpillar.
Wow. Let's start then.
Okay. Let's do it. First, let's do the unicorn is pink one.
Wow. Unicorn is your favorite also then?
Yeah.
Yeah. Show me its horn.
Now his hair purple. Let's do it.
Yeah. You're doing good, Veda.
Thank you.
And now,
His eyes a little bit black.
oh, unicorn's eyes are black. Okay. Then what next?
Next, I'm doing a caterpillar with
Okay.
light green.
You need some help?
Yeah.
Okay, I can help you.
Can you do the T-Rex?
T-Rex. Okay, give me the T-Rex. Yeah. It's looking nice.
I'm doing it. All green.
You are doing good, Veda.
It's so green, green, green. You go in the eyes.
It's alright.
Oh,
We have to
green.
color it black only. It's really fun, no?
Yeah, it's so fun to make.
Hmm.
Good.
Which animals you like, Veda?
I like unicorn and the T-Rex.
Wow.
A cute
What
little
else?
panda.
Panda, yes. Pandas are cute
Yeah, so cute.
and fluffy.
And climb on trees.
Yeah, they climb on trees. And what they eat?
They eat plants.
Oh, grass, leaves.
Yeah.
Wow, is it done?
Yeah.
Show me.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's spinning around.
And what next?
Is a panda.
Wow, cute panda.
Oopsie.
It's alright. You want to sing any song for panda?
Yeah. I'm coloring a panda from black to I'm coloring the panda with black color. I'm coloring his ears, and his eyes are coloring a Now let's color the other ear. See it, see it, see it, see it, see it. Let's do it, 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 do it.
Wow, is it done?
Yes!
You're doing
See?
good, Veda.
The circle is a little bit outside.
It's alright.
I joined it. Now it's done.
Wow, that's nice.
Oh yeah. Let's coloring the goggle now. Let's coloring the goggle.
Hey Veda, look, who's behind you? Say hi to her.
Hi. Yay, it's done!
Wow, you did it all.
Yeah.
Now tell me how many animals you have and which animals you have.
I have chicken,
No.
caterpillar, and unicorn, froggy, dinosaur, T-Rex, monkey, panda, and a snake. And one smiley goggle and a kissing smiley.
Wow, you did it so well, Veda.
Thank you, Mommy.
Very nice.
Bye. Subscribe on my channel.